Citizen TV USA. Subscribe to this channel to get knowledge about USA citizenship. Welcome back to Citizen TV USA. In today's video, you'll see a real US Citizenship Interview 2025 featuring an applicant who is a dental assistant, a remarried woman, and faced some tough moral character questions. Despite the challenges, she stayed confident and composed throughout the process. Watch until the end to see how she handled every question and what valuable tips you can use to prepare for your own naturalization interview.
Good morning. Are you Ms. Rivera?
Yes, good morning, officer. That's me.
I'm Officer Patel, and I'll be guiding you through your naturalization interview today. Let's head inside together.
Thank you, Officer Patel.
We'll take a right down this hallway. Your interview room is all the way at the end. It's just past the waiting area.
Got it.
Please set your bag down next to the chair here, and just a quick reminder, no phones during the interview.
Of course, I understand.
Before we get started, could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You can put your hand down and have a seat. How are you feeling this morning?
I'm a little nervous, to be honest, but I've been studying for months, so I feel prepared.
That's completely normal. We'll go step by step. No rush. May I see your appointment letter, government-issued ID, and passports, please?
Here you go. One of my passports is expired.
That's fine. Thank you. Did anyone accompany you today?
Yes, my husband drove me here. He's waiting in the car.
That's great, having support can be reassuring. How was the drive?
Surprisingly smooth. No traffic jams today.
Perfect. All right, let's move forward with your interview. Remember, just take a deep breath and answer as best as you can. Let's start with something simple. Why are you here today?
I'm here for my naturalization interview.
I see. And why do you want to become a US citizen? Could you explain that in more detail?
Absolutely. I really love living in this country. I want to have the right to vote, fully participate in my community, and enjoy the same rights and responsibilities as other citizens. Becoming a citizen feels like a full commitment to the values and opportunities of this country.
That's a thoughtful answer. Let's move on to eligibility. How are you qualified for naturalization?
I've been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years. During that time, I've maintained continuous residency, complied with all laws, and ensured I meet all the naturalization requirements.
Can you explain exactly how you obtained your green card? Please be specific.
Yes, officer. My father, a US citizen, sponsored me. I went through the formal petition process, passed the required background checks, and was approved as a permanent resident.
And you've held your green card for how long now?
11 years, officer. I've always maintained my permanent resident status and fulfilled all obligations associated with it.
That's good. Maintaining your status for that long is very important. What is your current legal name?
My current legal name is Maria Elena Rivera.
What is your first name?
My first name is Maria.
Can you spell your first name?
Maria.
Do you have a middle name?
Yes, that is Elena.
Have you used any other names since birth?
No.
Do you want to legally change your name today?
No, I don't.
What is your date of birth?
May 10th, 1985.
Where were you born?
I was born in Mexico.
What is your current nationality or citizenship?
Mexican.
Are you still a citizen of Mexico?
Yes.
All right. Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I am Hispanic.
What is your race?
Yes, I am mestizo.
Let's move on to your work history. Are you currently employed?
Yes, I am. I work as a dental assistant.
Great. How long have you been in that position?
About 3 years.
Can you tell me the exact date you started?
I started on September 15th, 2022.
And who is your current supervisor?
My supervisor is Dr. Angela Martinez.
What are your primary responsibilities at work?
I assist with dental procedures, prepare instruments, handle patient records, and ensure the clinic is organized.
Have you had any other jobs in the past 5 years?
Yes, before this, I worked as a receptionist at Smile Care Dental from 2018 to 2022.
Were there any gaps in your employment during the last 5 years?
No significant gaps. I only took a short leave for personal reasons in 2021.
Perfect. And do you currently receive income, pay taxes, and have proper documentation for this employment?
Yes, I do. I pay taxes, and all my employment records are up to date.
What is your best phone number?
675-546-8372.
Let's start with your current marital status. What is it?
I'm married.
Can you tell me your spouse's full name?
Daniel Rivera.
And when did you get married? Please include the month, day, and year.
June 18, 2013.
Is your spouse a US citizen?
Yes, he became a naturalized citizen in 2018.
Do you have any children together?
Yes, we have one daughter, Isabella Rivera.
Can you provide her date and place of birth?
She was born on July 14, 2016, in Arizona.
Thank you. Have you ever been married before your current marriage?
Yes, I was previously married.
Can you tell me your ex-husband's name and the dates of that marriage?
My ex-husband was Carlos Mendoza. We were married from April 20, 2005 to September 12, 2010.
Did you have any children from that previous marriage?
No, we did not have any children.
Were there any legal matters, such as divorce agreements, name changes, or custody arrangements, from that marriage that USCIS should know about?
Everything was legally settled at the time, and there are no pending issues.
Very good. Does your current spouse and daughter live with you at your Phoenix address?
Yes, they do.
Excellent. And just to be clear, have there been any changes to your marital or family situation since your last application or any legal documents?
No, everything is current and accurate.
Can you give me your social security number?
Yes, it is 898-78-4687.
Excellent. What's your current residential address?
I live at 4510 West Suncrest Avenue, Phoenix, Arizona, 85043.
And how long have you been at that address?
Almost 5 years.
Perfect. Is your mailing address the same as your residential address?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Just to confirm, if anything changes with your mailing address, you understand you must report it immediately?
Absolutely, I understand.
Do you want the Social Security Administration to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes, I do.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 5 inches.
How much do you weigh?
I'm about 145 pounds.
What color are your eyes?
Black.
Now let's review your travel outside the United States. Have you left the U.S. at all in the past 5 years?
Yes, I have. I traveled twice.
Can you tell me the countries you visited and the purpose of each trip?
Sure. I went to Mexico in March 2023 for a family vacation. and I traveled to Canada in June 2021 for a short business seminar.
How long was your longest trip?
The trip to Mexico lasted 3 weeks.
Did you maintain your U.S. residence during these trips?
Yes, I kept my apartment and my job in Phoenix.
Were you absent from the U.S. for more than 6 months at any time?
No, both trips were under 6 months.
Did you report these trips anywhere or keep travel documentation?
Yes, I kept my boarding passes, passport stamps, and I filed my taxes while abroad.
Excellent. And just to confirm, you did not take any extended trips that might affect your continuous residence requirement for naturalization?
Correct, none of my trips interrupted my continuous residence.
Thank you, Ms. Rivera. Your answers are clear and thorough. Let's move on to the next part of the interview, your English reading, writing, and civics questions. Now we'll move on to the English reading and writing test. I'll ask you up to 3 questions for reading and writing, and you need to answer at least one correctly in each section to pass. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Please read this sentence aloud on the tablet for me.
George Washington was the first president.
Very good. Now, please write the following sentence on the tablet exactly as you hear it. The White House is in Washington, D.C. Excellent. You've passed both the reading and writing portions. Well done. Now we'll continue with the civics test portion of your interview. I'll ask you up to 10 questions selected from the official 100. To pass, you need to answer at least 6 correctly. Are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
First questions. What is one responsibility that is only for U.S. citizens?
Vote in a federal election.
What is one promise you make when you become a U.S. citizen?
Obey the laws of the United States.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4, 1776.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
The Louisiana Territory.
What happened on September 11, 2001, in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the U.S.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Speech.
You answered all questions correctly and provided additional details when prompted. That shows excellent preparation and attention to detail. Now, Ms. Rivera, I'm going to ask you some yes-no questions from your N400 application. Please answer clearly. If I ask you to explain a word, just give a short definition.
Okay, officer.
Since becoming a lawful permanent resident, have you ever called yourself a non-resident alien on a tax return or decided not to file because you considered yourself a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever used or supported a group that used weapons or explosives to harm others?
No.
Have you ever served in any military, police, or armed group?
No.
Have you ever committed or attempted crimes for which you were not arrested?
No.
Have you ever been removed, deported, or placed in removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever been a member of or associated with any communist or totalitarian party?
No.
Do you know what a totalitarian party is?
Yes, it's a government that controls everything.
Have you ever committed, assisted, or tried to commit torture, killing, genocide, or intentionally injuring someone?
No.
Have you ever worked or volunteered in a prison, detention facility, or labor camp?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or charged with a crime or offense?
No.
Are you a male who lived in the U.S. between ages 18 to 26, and did you register for selective service?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the U.S.?
No.
Have you ever advocated or been part of a group that opposed government or promoted violence?
No.
Have you ever prevented someone from practicing their religion or forced sexual activity on anyone?
No.
Have you ever threatened, used weapons, sold weapons, or received military, paramilitary training?
No.
Have you ever engaged in prostitution, illegal gambling, or misrepresentation to gain public benefits or immigration advantages?
No.
Have you applied for exemption from military service or served in the U.S. Armed Forces?
No.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the U.S.?
No.
Have you ever supported a group that committed kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
Have you ever caused harm or suffering due to someone's race, religion, nationality, social group, or political opinion?
No.
Have you ever recruited anyone under 15 for armed groups or hostilities?
No.
Can you explain what hostilities means?
Fighting in a war.
Have you ever lied to U.S. government officials to gain entry or immigration benefits?
No.
Do you have a hereditary title or nobility in any foreign country?
No.
Are you willing to bear arms, perform non-combatant duties, or work of national importance if required by law?
Yes.
Can you explain what non-combatant services means?
Services that do not involve combat.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance due to disability?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the U.S.?
Yes.
Good. Please review your application on the tablet and sign it.
Done.
Now, move to the last page. This is the oath of allegiance. Read all the statements carefully, agree to them, and then sign your name.
Sure.
Excellent. Here are your results, you passed. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, officer.
You'll get your oath ceremony letter in the mail within the next few weeks. Do you have any questions for me?
No, officer.
All right, congratulations again. I'll walk you back to the waiting area.
Thank you.